In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Indeed. Managing your inbox on job platforms can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when messages start to pile up over time. In this guide, you'll learn a simple and clear way to clean up your inbox so you can stay organized and focused on the opportunities that matter most. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Indeed website. Once the homepage loads, sign in to your account using your usual login details so you can access all messaging features. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu where you'll find the Messages section. This is where all your conversations with employers and job-related updates are stored. Clicking on Messages will take you directly to your inbox. Here, you'll see a full list of your conversations, including communication from recruiters, job applications, and other updates. If you've been active on the platform, this section can quickly become crowded, so keeping it organized is important for better clarity and efficiency. To remove an unwanted message, first locate the conversation you no longer need. Once you find it, look for the Options icon next to the message, usually shown as 3 small dots. This icon opens additional actions for that specific conversation. When you click on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select the Delete option. This will immediately remove the selected message from your inbox, helping you keep things clean and organized. Before confirming the deletion, take a moment to ensure you are selecting the correct message, since removed messages typically cannot be recovered. This small check helps prevent accidentally deleting something important. After completing this step, your inbox will already feel more organized and easier to manage. Over time, regularly clearing out unnecessary messages can significantly improve how you navigate your job search. Keeping your inbox tidy not only reduces clutter, but also helps you focus on relevant opportunities and important conversations. Making this a regular habit can improve your overall experience on the platform. And that's it. You now know how to manage and delete messages on Indeed with ease. This simple process can make your job search much more efficient and less stressful. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.